Hi guys,
because I cannot
welcome back to my
imagine. But it's
channel. My
fine
name is
though.
Jenema Emo as
It's
usual.
fine. It's very nice.
So this is a
It's simple.
continuation of the video I
It's
uploaded
okay.
last week. So
It's okay.
make sure you have fun. Don't forget to subscribe.
This
Do
is
all
what
the
I
good
like.
stuff with the video. Like, comment, do all the good stuff, do
Now
all
they
the good
have
stuff.
modified
And I'll see you
everything
in my
and
next
adjusted
one. Thanks for
everything.
watching. Bye.
So this is what we do now. Let me adjust this thing again. Then apply my eye pencil. Let me use a small. Apply this eye pencil. You people, you said it's to be 200. I'll be 15 naira.
50 naira eye pencil.
Now this one is
50
35.
kobo. No, 50 naira.
I'm even going to check the correct price. I think it's 35. So when you do this, you now apply concealer. Back then, you guys don't conceal anything.
Conceal it. You don't conceal anything.
So apply concealer under. This is a minimalist makeup. This is my type of makeup. People that don't know how to make up very well. This is how they used to do their bururu to the answer makeup. So, Mom, so choose the concealer for me. Which one is the concealer? I was not supposed to tell you the name, but I've told you the name already. So, which one is the concealer? No.
All this na concealer and consider. We don't our own. We don't have any concealer. Any concealer there.
This is the concealer. This concealer is from Zaron.
We don't
This is
have
the
any concealer.
or highlight. You can use it for concealer and highlight. Highlight is you just highlight. I don't really know how to highlight like that, but I'll try. So we'll use this as we'll use this one. We'll put it here. We'll use this angle brush, this very small brush. Then take a little bit of concealer. That's how I do my own. This is not a tutorial. Take a little bit of it, then conceal under your lash, under your eyebrows, so that it can pop. Conceal under. So can you guess the amount, how much that's but this concealer is similar to foundation, to the Perfect Finish.
No.
It's not similar. Is it because of the packaging? You know, it's liquid just like foundation.
This.
But the Perfect Finish, it was liquid.
Yes. No, it's not liquid. Okay, some liquid.
And some solid.
Yes.
Some
yes.
like this, cake
yes,
like this.
Yes.
So I'm trying, this is what they did. This generation, this 21st century, this is what they did. They adjusted all of the makeup of you guys back then. They adjusted everything. So I'm going to do for the second part. But do you like the makeup now compared to them?
The makeup now is too much. It's too much in the face. It's too much.
It's too much. We apply a lot of
foundation and concealer
and powder. You like to make up? You used to like to make up then?
Yes. I have everything to
I
make
know
up.
now.
All my makeup bag is
Ready.
eye pencil, lipstick, powder, that's all.
So have you seen the difference? See how this side is popping under here? It's popping. Unlike you just apply it and go. Nothing underneath here, but here is popping. Abby, can't you see it? Because I'm not a professional. If I was a professional, you will see pop. I will show you pictures. You see popping concealer under the eyebrows. So the next thing for me, what I do next is now to use this concealer. I'll use it under here. I'll use it to highlight this place. Even this is you know, I've added the what's it called? I've added this bronzer underneath. So this is what I will be doing. This is a concealer. So you use it to highlight under your eye. This is how I do my own makeup. That's why I said this is not a makeup tutorial, because there are a lot of people that will say no, this is not how to do it, this is not how to do it. But this is how me I do it. But do you like that I make up?
Yes.
You like that I make up?
Yes. I like makeup.
If I didn't use the makeup, will you be worried?
It depends the occasion that you are going to.
Okay.
Every
Like if I'm
time-
going for a wedding now, and I
you
don't wear
make
makeup.
It's not good.
So you feel a girl should make up?
Yes. Moderate.
Okay, moderate makeup.
Yes.
So this is it. Then see my face. Do you people do it like this? No
No.
way.
If you really laugh, I say, you
A masquerade.
Yes, masquerade.
So you know, gently puff it in. What's the word I'm looking for? What do you think that concealer is?
Now or before?
No, you said before there was no concealer.
If I go to market and price it, I think that is 500.
So do you think that we spend so much on makeup these days?
Yes, yes. How can I make up 10,000 naira? What happened?
Like this one, I think this one is 4,500. Yeah.
It's too much. The people are spending money now.
Do you know their makeup artists, as in you go to some makeup artists. In short, that's it. Makeup artists, they are very expensive. You go to makeup artists to make you up, maybe for a wedding or something, you pay like 30,000, 50,000. For a wedding, maybe I'm getting married now, and I call a makeup artist, a very good makeup artist. I'll be paying like a very good makeup artist will be collecting like 100 to 150,000.
You give me that money, I will make you up.
You make me a perfect finish.
Yes,
And what? No.
everything.
When I enter
Make
the
you up.
when I enter the wedding, the church, people will chase me back.
It's a lie.
They will chase me back. Perfect finish.
Is it makeup they want to see, or they want the blessing?
They will chase me back. They say no,
They
it's
will
better you
not.
go and wash your face.
They will not, because I will do it very, very, very
They'll
without
say,
my,
God, please, dear, go and wash your face, please.
without my perfect finish. I will make it very well.
Normally, I'm supposed to conceal here. As in,
Again.
no, this one is contour. You just contour here, dap it down here, then you contour this side, then you contour, come down here, you contour here, you contour here.
3 hours.
Telling you, that's what we do.
Just do perfect finish. 20 minutes, you're already going where you are going. You are removing it.
No, you're not
Don't you
removing it.
just
You're
do
putting
it
excess.
up.
You're removing the
You
excess.
do it tap.
And
You do
put.
it and use it and finish your
Then
another one.
no, because the color is not here. You use this one. Then you just see the plenty things that came out. So the next thing is for me to design my eyes. Normally, I'm supposed to wear lashes, but I don't know how to fix lashes perfectly, so I cannot embarrass myself online. So, Mom, which one is the eyeliner? Don't people use eyeliner now?
We use eyeliner,
Uh-huh.
yes.
People
The
use
black
eyeliner.
one.
Yeah.
Black eyeliner.
This one, yeah, you got it right. This is the eyeliner. This is from Younger Beauty.
Yeah, younger beauty.
Mm-hmm.
Chineke.
So what are popular brands back then of makeup apart from that Perfect Finish? Apart from Perfect Finish, any other brand
No,
like Mary Kay? You preferred it at that Perfect Finish?
Yeah, it's just simple. This one, you start doing it, church will dismiss now. You wake up in the morning, start putting eyeshadow, eyeliner, this one. Church will dismiss.
Oh,
Before
wake
you
up
will
early.
come in, before you, if you are a worker, you start doing this, you wake up around 3 o'clock or 2 o'clock, start doing your makeup till after 5, till 6. You start going to church, will dismiss. This one is good, like you fix eyelashes.
Mm-hmm. This is from Younger Beauty. I like their
Younger
liquid
Beauty.
eyeliner, carbon black. Younger Beauty, yes. Can you guess how much?
150.
I can't. 150 naira. This thing.
Yeah.
Hey, they should not hear you. They shouldn't hear you at all. But do you think we take a lot of risk with makeup? You know, with cosmetics, because there are a lot of eye contact, eyelashes these days that come in contact with eyes. You know, putting super glue.
No, it's not good. To put super glue in the eyes is not good.
We like not super glue, like glue. You know, when you want to glue your that's a lot of risk.
It's risk. It's not good.
So you think we take a lot of risk right now?
Yes, it's not good. It's not good. If you want to do eyeshadow, just do it moderate. Not to face using gumming your eyes. Some people, you will see their eyes, it will be red. What is the problem?
Eyelashes.
In Younger Beauty.
No, it's eyelashes.
They use eyelashes put in their eyes. Their eyes will be like ebe. Ebe, you know ebe on a vocal. And so their eyes will be, and all their eyes will be red. That thing is not beauty. Just make it moderate. If you want to put, you put it small. Very, very good. No, I don't like putting all those things, put your eyes. If person see you, it will be like in a lemon also. Your eyes will be like this. I don't like it. I like everything moderate, everything. Eyeshadow moderate, lipstick moderate, eye pencil moderate. I put eye pencil. You can see my own. I put eye pencil. It's
Very
moderate, yes. Moderate. Eyeshadow must be moderate. It's not big. There's a way you will put eyeshadow. Somebody see you for say, now you don't cover everywhere, every hole, you cover them up. But there's a way you will put eyeshadow. Say yes, this eyeshadow is very, very fine.
This is the end of my makeup. This is what I do, like very simple.
Very simple, moderate.
Yeah, very simple.
Moderate.
I don't really know. I wish I know how to do more makeup. I'll do more makeup, but this is like.
If you do more makeup, your face will be like Ebe.
No, if I'm a professional makeup artist, I will show you some pictures. You see.
Good. This is very good.
So this one is okay.
If you are doing something, no need of go and call makeup artist to come and do this one. 150, 100, even 10,000, even 5,000 is too much.
How much did they buy? Do you know how much? I just told you that this foundation is
6,000.
I
will use my own and make myself very clean.
This one 4,500.
I will use my
house. This is House of Tara. This is Tara Beauty. Yes, Tara. How much is it? I think 4,500 or 5,000.
All their product is very, very
amazing.
Expensive.
And yes, expensive. It's expensive for you people.
Yes. And it's very, very good. Tara product is good. Light your lips. You are high and light it your lips.
That's all.
Yes, so today if I'm going out, you're gonna do my own like this.
I'll do the makeup.
Yes.
They pay. You collect. I'll collect money.
You pay. I'll collect.
So this is finishing. I think it looks really good.
Yes.
So I'm going to put this one final.
You still put another one.
Yes, and I'm showing you my own type of makeup,
okay.
Unlike your own. Then.
Yes.
So this is how we do this one. You wave it up front. It's supposed to be like you're writing a 3.
Okay.
That's how you do it. Like you're writing a 3.
Okay.
That's when you contour. Yeah, like you're writing 3. Yeah, like this.
Okay. I used to see people doing it. Wonder what they use and do it. I don't know that is.
That you can put in your nose a little. Let it shine.
It's fine.
Just pop it. See how it's popping.
Did you see better? Did you see better?
It looks really nice.
Yes.
It looks really
even
nice.
Your eyes lashes is nice.
The eyeliner.
Yes.
Yeah, it really looks really nice. I like it. So Thank you so much for featuring in my channel.
Thank
We
you.
did see more of you. Will you come
Thank
again?
you. Yes.
You come again?
Yes. God bless you.
Thank you so
Thank
much
you.
for
Thank
watching
you.
us. Please drop a comment, share, like, and subscribe. Mom, please tell them to subscribe.
Channel.
So that
God
we
bless
can do
you.
more of these.
God will bless you.
Amen.
Thank you.
Amen.
See you. Love you.
Bye.